This is Big Green Natural Bee Removal. We're here in the city of LA getting ready to remove this pretty big swarm of bees. So you can see right here, pretty big size. There's the whole swarm. This swarm of bees already carry a queen, and I'm pretty sure she's underneath the whole swarm, the whole cluster. They're protecting her. So we're getting ready to do a live removal to save them and take them to our beekeeper, Scott. This is Big Green Natural Bee Removal. Let me find my way down out of the ladder. Hopefully we can get a good view from down here. Okay, you can see it from here. You can barely see it from here, but there it is right there. You come on this side, there goes our technician with our bee green vacuum. Yeah. This is another big green live removal. So we're gonna grab the bees. They're gonna be going straight into our big green vacuum right here. Once we grabbed all the bees, there's no honeycomb in this, so it's only a swarm. Once honeycomb is involved, then it becomes a hive. But in this case, it's just a swarm, a big swarm of bees. They look very healthy and active. So we're gonna remove the swarm and treat that area to kill the smell of the pheromones. So we can't really see well from here, but you guys saw the swarm and the live removal by Big Green Natural Bee Removal.